Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. Kuneyindaba engiyibonayo la engingayithandi engiyibona zigudla online. Abalandeli abekho happy. Abalandeli abaningi abekho happy bafethu. Umsho abantu abaningi abayibuthi why abalandeli bengekho. Uvane uthini manje? Ngibona la abalandeli abangayisupport Orlando Pirates. Abangayisupport Orlando Pirates but bayamsupporta umdlali because they know ukuthi umdlali is one of the youngest talented stars akhona la eSouth Africa. He's one of the youngest best defenders akhona la eSouth Africa. Khuluma ngobani na? Ngikhuluma ngombekezeli Mbokazi. Umbekezeli Mbokazi ke bafethu ubengekho kwisquad esibiziwe esiyodlala kwiWorld Cup ya under 20. Akabizwanga kwisquad esiyodlala ku-under 20 kwiWorld Cup. Mukhumbula kahle bafethu umbekezeli Mbokazi wayekhona kule squad lesesasiza iBafana Bafana ukuthi qualify for i-under 20 yale World Cup le. Wayekhona kweCOSAFA even though engadlalanga kwi-under 20 AFCON ngoba wayisiza Orlando Pirates idlale lapha kweCAF Champions League, but he was one of those players yabo. He was very very good for i-under 20 World Cup yala eSouth Africa. Masubheke la iwona ama games la wazodlala bafethu. Ama games azoqala kule nyanga esiya kuyona. Igame yokuqala iBafana Bafana iyodlala against iFrance ngomhla ka-29 September. Masuthi igame yesibili iyodlala neNew Caledonia ngomhla ka-3 October. Mase uthi igame yesithathu sidlale against USA ngomhla ka-5 October. Ama games ke lawa azoyibaluleka kakhulu for under 20 kwiBafana Bafana. Because masubheke la abadlali ababiziwe bafethu kulumjida lo goalkeeper uSmith Lowe odlalela iEstoril yabo, team le yase Portugal. Masubheka lapha uTakalane Mazamba. Takalane Mazamba yo, imagine ubizwa uTakalane. Kodwa bayabazali ngixolise bafethu mase kuthi omunye umdlalo obiziwe bafethu umdlalo weSkokhona United bafethu uHwelwe Ngiratsana. Mase kuthi kube khona uMusa Masemola. Ngeke ngibabize ke bonke bafethu, ilist yinde but ngizobiza laba abajwayele esijwayele ukubabona kwiBetway Premiership. Sambona uNeo Rapo ubiziwe, lo odlala lisiwelele asekho T1 Mamelodi Sundowns player ubiziwe bafethu. Sambona uSiviwe Nkwali odlalela eStellies ubiziwe. Sambona uHomolemo Kekane Mamelodi Sundowns. Sambona bafethu umjida weOrlando Pirates uSelep. I'm really surprised to see uSelep bafethu umjida udlala ngempela. I didn't think uzobizwa but ke the good thing ukuthi umjida ubiziwe after I saw him playing for iBafana Bafana kuma friendly games. Ubiziwe ke for under 20 iBafana Bafana. I hope umjida uzoyisiza. Ubiziwe bafethu uShakil April manimkhumbula kahle, he played well kwiAFCON. Naleti Hlongwane weKaizer Chiefs naye ubiziwe bafethu, a young prospect who strike umjida udlala ngempela. Chandra Campbell bafethu naye ubiziwe. Mfundo Vilakazi weKaizer Chiefs ubiziwe Mfundo Vilakazi. Ngeke ngichazeke kakhulu bafethu la benzochaza ngevideo yabane yambekezeli Mbokazi. Benzochaza ngombekezeli Mbokazi. Umbokazi bafethu ama-fans awekho happy but mina ngizozama ukuthi ngiyiphikise lento yabo ukuthi why bengekho happy. Umbekezeli Mbokazi right now he is part of i-first team yeBafana Bafana. I don't think iBafana Bafana right now there's a defender engadlalisa umbekezeli Mbokazi ebenchini. Ungangibizela leyo defender leyo. Maybe ke mhlawumbe phela uHugo Broos angamhlalisa ebenchini because uyamazi uHugo Broos uyathanda ukudlalisa i-first 11 yakhe, akathanda ukushintsha kakhulu isquad sakhe. Hugo Broos akudlalisela nje uMobi. Bekhona mfethu abadlali mfethu oVan Rooyen, bekhona mfethu oBasadini, akudlalele nje uMobi nje. Siyamazi uHugo Broos but for me I don't think currently kuma center backs eBafana Bafana ikhona i-defender elingaya 1-on-1 with umbekezeli Mbokazi and limnikeza inkinga in terms of getting i-first 11 ya Hugo Broos yabo. So for me I think it's best for him ukuthi adlalele iBafana Bafana, ayisize iBafana Bafana. Siyodlala against iNigeria, siyodlala against iLesotho kuma World Cup qualifiers. iBafana Bafana they need the best players abadlala kwiBetway Premiership, and when you look at umbekezeli Mbokazi is one of those best players abadlala kwiBetway Premiership, and he will help iBafana Bafana. By him helping iBafana Bafana qualify for iWorld Cup kuzoba amathuba amaningi for him. He's a youngster. Remember that he's a youngster. He will help the first team of iBafana Bafana to qualify. Mase isizile iBafana Bafana uzoya kodlala kwiWorld Cup, not the under 20 World Cup. Many people angazi noma bayiboni ingahle lento le. I-under 20 World Cup, yes, there are many scouts azobebuka i-under 20 World Cup, azobe sayina abadlali abancane. But uma subheke i-main team, first team ye-World Cup ezobibukwa next year. abantu abaningi bazoyibeyibuka like the whole world will be watching and they will talk about that young player okuthiwa uMbekezeli Mbokazi. If people are talking, teams will be watching ukuthi ubani umdlalo okukhulunywa ngayo and uMbekezeli Mbokazi uzoba nethuba eliningi lokuthi atholwe lawo mathimba adlala phezulu. So maningi amathuba akhe uMbekezeli Mbokazi ayishiya Orlando Pirates asayina amathimba aphezulu ase-Europe because indlela adlala ngayo uMjida unalo italent. It's not like uKhoza or i-Orlando Pirates iyamvalela amathuba. No one is closing the chances for uMjida ukuthi awo-representa i-national team kwi-under 20 World Cup. But he will be playing for the first team of iBafana Bafana, not the under 20. Indlela adlala ngakhona, he deserved to play for the first team. No one is talking about Lamine Yamal. You will never hear people talking about Lamine Yamal playing for a first team. Why is he playing for a first team? Why engadlalili under 20? You will never see Lamine Yamal represent under 20 yale club le Spain. Ngeke uzombona Lamine Yamal eyodlalela under 20 Spain. But why are people mad when uMjida Mbokazi ekhetha ukuyodlalela for i-first team? Izinto lezo abantu angeke bayiphendule. There are many youngsters overseas adlalayo kuma first team ama national team abo, but you will never see them getting criticized by imedia ukuthi why team incisha ukuthi umfana omncane awudlala nabanye abafana abancane bomdlalisa ku first team. You will never see that. Lamine Yamal was doing great kuma Euros. So mbona next season Lamine Yamal ku World Cup. So mbona na uMbokazi next season ku World Cup. And I so wish uMbokazi uyothola no Yamal because ngiyobona umhlola abafana bami. Ngiyobona umhlola. Ngikumbula nje i-interview yakhe ethi ayikho mina enye indoda eyodlula kumina. Mekuthiwa ngiyivale lapha nami ngizoyivala leyo ndoda. Ngiyobona umhlola mase kuqhathana nje uLamine Yamal beNombokazi. Yebo. So abafethu abehlisa umoya kancane. uMbokazi bafethu he's a first team player right now. He's a first team player. He doesn't deserve to play with ama youngsters adlala ku under 20. There are many talented youngsters adinga ithuba lokuthi ayodlala lapha. Yabo, ngokwami mina I think uvula ithuba for lama youngsters. Baningi ama youngsters asizile ukuthi bawine ku AFCON. Bayiwine AFCON engekho uMbekezeli Mbokazi. Yini inkinga engabahlula ukuthi badlale kahle le kwi under 20 World Cup? Ayikho into engabahlula for me in my box. Ayikho into engabahlula. Yabo, there are many talented players there. Chandra Campbell to be exact. I don't know if Chandra Campbell uzovuma yena uthi asuke lapha kwi Club Brugge. Maybe Club Brugge izofuna ukumsebenzisa. I saw some of his recent games. Umjida ushisa ngempela. He's one of those breakout stars kule season for Club Brugge. So I don't know if bazovuma yena ukuthi umdedela udlala under 20 World Cup, but ke we'll see. Yabo, ngezwe ngawo ama comments uthi ngale ndaba wena Mbekezeli Mbokazi. Do you think uMjida kumele ahamba odlala under 20 noma kumele awu represent iBafana Bafana first team?